Hi, it's JJ again. I'm going to show you my four-wheeler painted car that I painted from what's it called? Plastic Fun Times. Here's my car. It's all red. Extra. Hold on. As you can see, it's red. It's not that light. It's dark red actually. Dark yellow and dark black. Obviously, this thing is light black. I think. This in the middle is black. As you can see, there are seats. You won't be able to see them. I'm 8 now, and I had this car since I was 4 years old. 4. So it's 4 years. Black right here, as you can see. And there's a wing in the back. The tires are not so bad themselves. My dad made them. On the bottom it says JJ 2 dash. I made this in February. 2-12 dash 2 dash 12 I made this when I was like 3. This is that. I really like this car. It's really special to me. Me and my mom and my dad painted it. It's really special to me. So I love this car. Really special to me. You don't know how much this car means to me. Hope you enjoyed this episode. This is how red it is, really. Well, not really, but it's really dark. Check out more of my videos. Type in Monsuno review by JJ, and you'll see me holding the lock, a really rare one. Even though I got it from Sean, it was $15. I mean $9.99. Bye.